To make sure that your equipment will last and avoid issues, it's important to properly maintain your equipment. What you may need: compressed air, lithium grease, 3-in-1 oil, snapstick lubricant. First, remove dust and paper particles using compressed air. Wipe the machine with a clean, dry cloth. Move the handle to the closed position. Apply a small drop of oil to each moving contact point. Pull the handle of the press about 10 times to distribute the oil. Next, use lithium grease in small amounts in places where friction can occur. Apply it by hand so you control the amount and placement. Move the base plate into the middle position. Apply grease to the center and to the moving parts around the handle and the posts. Rotate the base multiple times to spread grease evenly and cover all areas. Next, we will use snapstick lubricant. The easiest way to apply it is to use your finger. Apply lubricant at 45 degrees to the inner edge of the crimp die. Rub it into the metal. Position crimp die under the upper die and pull the handle multiple times. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, please contact our support team.